Two of these statements are true while the other one is false. Can you spot the lie? Round 2, let's get started. If you were to take the 7 colors of the rainbow and evenly space them out on a circle like so, spinning it really fast will make the entire wheel look like the color white. If you've ever driven in a desert, you might have come across a fake water puddle in the middle of the road. This is known as an inferior mirage, and they could start appearing after the air's temperature reaches a certain threshold. Once it does, a path of sunlight travels directly onto the road and reflects off of it into your eye. In this case, the image formed as a water puddle because it blends heat waves with the blue sky. If you take a pencil and hold it up to a mirror, you'll notice that multiple images of the pencil will appear. The first one is just the pencil itself, and the others are very faint images of the pencil. These are called ghost images, and they're caused by light that reflects off of the glass of the mirror as opposed to the metal behind it. Now that you've heard all 3 statements, feel free to pause the video and say which one you think is the lie. If you actually thought these colors alone would make the color white, you'd be correct. This is an example of persistence of vision, which causes us to see objects 1/30th of a second after they disappeared. The wheel spins fast enough for our eyes to blend each section together, leading us to make out the combination of all these colors, that of course being white. Ghost images are also real. Mirrors are only good at reflecting because of the metal coating on the back. If only one ghost image appears, 96% of the light that hits the glass goes through it, while the other 4% reflects and creates the secondary image. If there are 2, then 92% of the light is transmitted and the remaining 8% reflects to display the ghost images. The lie was about mirages. Even though the image you see does overlap heat waves in the sky above it, the path of light does not hit the road. This is because it doesn't travel in a straight line. It travels on a curve. According to Snell's law, light will travel at different angles and different mediums. One thing that can change the refractive index is temperature, and since the air gets cooler as you get closer to Earth's surface, this angle has to change to complete the equation, causing the reflected path to bend. Therefore, it's not about how hot the temperature is, but how much it changes, and when our eyes view this, they try to place an image where there isn't one.